This week, we will focus on mastering the distinction between apostrophes and plurals. Because both forms often use the ending s, they can cause confusion. The apostrophe has three uses: to form possessives of nouns, to show the omission of letters, to indicate certain plurals of lowercase letters. Follow these rules to create a possessive form. Add apostrophe s to the singular form of a word. The owner's car, James's hat. This rule applies even if the noun already ends in s, like James. Add apostrophe s to the plural forms that do not end in s. The children's game, the geese's honking. Add apostrophe to the end of plural nouns that already end in s. 2 cats' toys, 3 friends' letters, the country's laws. Add apostrophe s to the end of compound words. My brother-in-law's money. Add apostrophe s to the last noun to show joint possession of an object. Todd and Ann's apartment. Apostrophes are also used in contractions, which show letters or numbers that have been omitted. To use an apostrophe to create a contraction, place it where the omitted letters or numbers would go. For example, don't equals do not, I'm for I am, he'll for he will, whose, who is, shouldn't, should not, didn't, did not, could've, could have, note, not could of, and 60 for 1960. These contractions are all very common in speech and in informal writing, but in more professional writing, you generally want to avoid them. Apostrophes are also used to form plurals of letters that appear in lower case. For example, 3 P's versus 3 P's. To form the plural of a lowercase letter, place apostrophe s after the letter. Here are some examples of these rather nitty-gritty rules. Nita's mother constantly stressed minding one's P's and Q's. 3 Macintosh G4s. Many ampersands. The 1960s. Don't use apostrophes for personal pronouns, the relative pronoun who, or for noun plurals. Apostrophes should not be used with possessive pronouns because possessive pronouns already show possession. They don't need an apostrophe. His, her, its, my, yours, ours are all possessive pronouns. However, indefinite pronouns such as one, anyone, other, no one, and anybody can be made possessive. Here are some examples. His book, one's book, anybody's book. Whose dog is this? Not, whose dog is this? The group made its decision. Not, a friend of yours. Not,